Hi everyone, I appreciate you stopping in. I have a Stitch Fix. This is my 100th box from Stitch Fix. I don't know how excited I am about it. From the preview, I was just like, really? Like, I thought 100 would be, like, I was hoping it would be awesome, but it is what it is. You do get your invoice in every box, your USPS mailer for anything you don't love to send back. I am not going to even look at that. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you can see how red my arm is. Something just, I don't know what it was. Something I touched is like giving me a reaction. I do have some shoes, so we'll wait on those a minute. Get rid of this box over here. And here is my bundle right here. Sometimes it's better that way. So let's see what we have here. I do have time right now to maybe do a try on, so that's exciting. Let's see, from La Serene, we have a cardigan, blue medium. I don't think I don't like short sleeve cardigans. I really don't. I find them useless. I'm not gonna wear that as like a sweater in the summer and like have to wear a tank underneath. I mean, it is kind of cute, but I doubt that. Let's just I'll just put you here, keep everything folded nice. I think this I saw and was like, well, send it, let me see. And this is Market and Spruce. This is a seersucker button down blouse in black. Thought this might be cute. Nice capped, like a cuffed sleeve, V-neck, you know, your standard button down, you know, shirt tail hem, which I'm not always a fan of, but you know, I figured let me try. Can always tuck it, but that I did see so far, and I don't think the rest of the stuff I had any idea. I have a Market and Spruce t-shirt here, cotton blend slub tee, red, medium, petite. So here's the rounded neckline, right here, basic straight tee. Might be cute. I don't have a lot of red. I would say that's a slub tee, because usually slub tees are like thinner. Not horrible, but I don't know, because it's not a bright red, it's more, you know, like a darker red. Market and Spruce button down blouse, white medium. I don't know why. No, long sleeve, like the pinstripe, and that's blues. Typical button down pocket. I can see that in the, you know, shirt tail hem. I doubt that I mean, everything will get tried on, but I just don't see me liking that. I don't like it from the get-go. Let's see what these are. Oh, oi, no. No. What is this? This is from Market and Spruce. These are magenta, medium, petite. A linen blend, straight leg pant. I mean, maybe. I don't know. Right here. Side pockets. This is a working drawstring. Back pockets. And here's the leg. I don't know. I mean, we'll see. I don't know if I love the color. I don't know. That I'm not thrilled with. I mean, linen is great for the summer, but let's get rid of this. And what do we have here? From Tribal, black shorts. Okay, so that might be, or is that a skirt? Oh, that's a skirt. Is that a skirt? Oh, it's a skirt. There's shorts underneath. Does that say skirt on it? Oh, that might not be bad. Yeah, 12 skirt. So, you know, nice flat front, so there's nothing there to bulk. Pockets. Nice pockets. There's pockets in the back. And there are shorts underneath. And these are just like a biker short type thing underneath. Oh no, that might be interesting. I'm not necessarily I used to be a skirt person. Like when I worked in a professional setting, I wore a lot of skirts. I had to dress in business attire, so skirts, jackets, blouses, heels, you know, the nylons, you know, the whole thing we had to do. And this has some good stretch to it, and there are little slits up the side for ease. That might be cute for the summer. I like that there's no bulk at the belly area. Tribal, huh? And these are size 8. That's kind of cute. Just depends like how long it is. I don't like anything super short, but that might be cute. I don't know. We'll have to see. What's this caution? Oh, for laundry. Yeah. But then I was never really a dress person. I might have owned like 1 or 2, 3 dresses, like for something fancier, but a lot of times it was skirts and blouses, suits, and pants, slacks, things like that. And I'm more a dress slack person now versus skirt or dresses. Like, I think I have 1 dress, and it's more casual. Like for the summer, you know, you put on like flip-flops or sandals with it. And I think I have 1 dress that's a little dressier, and I don't wear it, but you know, you keep it because you never know. I would rather put on, you know, a nice top, a blouse, and a pair of slacks, belt it, and you look nice. But I'm interested. I'm curious on this. If anything, I'm curious on that. I don't know. Oh, the shoes. So you get, there's more than, you know, the 5 typical items. So let's do the shoes. I think I did like the shoes. So, yeah. And these are Toms, as you can see, right here. Beautiful. Like you can see the, I don't know what that woven is, but nice material, you know, nice pattern for the summer. And I do like Toms. I have a couple pair of Toms. They've come a long way. They used to be the squared off toe, but these are really cute, so I'll give them a try, and I'll make sure I get them in the video this time. I know the last time I'm like, I lowered the camera, and I didn't lower. I should have tested it before I filmed that segment, but I will make sure that the shoes are in the shot this time. So give me a moment to set everything up for filming of a try-on, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I have 2 items on. I put the linen pants on in magenta, medium petite, $65. That's a little bit pricey. And then I have the shoes on. These are off-white size 6, $60. Times are expensive. So I have the linen pants on. They're nice. Like the drawstring, I don't have the drawstring tied. Like with a nice top. I don't necessarily know if I would wear black. I might do a lighter color. I think the fit is good. I mean, there's plenty of room in them. Personally, the leg length is like ankle. And I do have the shoe on. Comfy. Comfy, comfy, comfy shoes. Like a lot of bounce in them. So I'm going to leave them on the entire time just to see if my heel comes out of the back, but I figured I'd show you them on. Cute. So I'm not sure about the shoes. They are very comfortable, and I could see myself wearing them. Beautiful, you know, with denim. I'm gonna put my denim. Well, I'm gonna try the skirt on, and then I'm gonna see what the shoes look like with denim to see what I think about them. But the pants are not bad. A little pricey, personally, but linen is not cheap. So let me give the skirt a try. Trying to find. Okay, so this is tribal pull-on twill skirt with rounded slit, black, size 8, $60. This is. I mean, I have a black top one, so it's difficult. Nice, feels nice, slimming. You know, it fits. It's not baggy, which is nice. I like the pockets. They're nice, deep pockets. My tag fell off, so just keeping it in the pocket there. I think the fit is nice. Nice pockets in the back. So I don't mind that. And then the shorts are underneath. Comfortable. Nice little rounded thing. It literally is like right above the knee. Would this be wonderful in the summer? Yeah. If you know, and I did keep the shoes on. I don't think I would wear these shoes with the skirt. I think maybe more denim since there's more blue in it. The only way that I would wear these, and I can show you these a little bit better. I mean, there is some dark in there, some black. I think maybe with one of the other colors in the shoe, then maybe I would wear them with black. But I think more denim or something like this. So let me take the skirt off and try a couple of the tops on, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I left the skirt on for just a minute because I'm curious. So this is Market and Spruce. This is like the slub knit red medium petite tee. It's $29. I don't think that's a bad price. I like the t-shirt. I like the feel. They put a tag right in the front, so I have a tag sticking right here. I love the sleeve coverage. It's light. I like the fit. Nice. I definitely might. I do have a few red, but more on the brighter side. I like the darker reds that almost have like that black undertone to them. So this and the length would be perfect. It's, you know, right at basically at the top of my legs, which was what I like. So this I might keep. This is a consideration. I do like the skirt. I'm admitting that. I like the shoes. I'm not crazy about the linen pants so far. But let me try a couple of the blouses on and see what I think. I am all over the place today. So I wanted to show you the cardigan. I am not a fan of this short sleeve cardigans, period. And I left the red t-shirt on because I don't feel like finding it. My tanks are all the way in the back of a closet. To show you would definitely have to wear a tank top underneath of this. I mean, it's a cute look because it would be airy and light for the warmer weather, but like that's not how I dress. I mean, it is cute, and this is $59. So you know, I would say no right there. Yeah, I mean, like I said, it is kind of cute. It's definitely roomy cardigan style. I just don't get the short sleeve cardigan. I mean, like I said, you put a nice tank top underneath. Like you had white shorts on, a white tank, and you put this on, or whatever. Yeah, would it look sharp? Absolutely. It's not me. I don't dress like that. Like, give me a t-shirt and a pair of shorts. I'm good. A pair of Skechers, we're moving. I don't need all this. But it is cute, and I do like it, but obviously not for the price point. So now I'm going to try the blouses on. Okay, so I have the black seersucker blouse on from Market and Spruce, a medium, $45. Not a bad price point. It's cute. I love the collar. I love a collared shirt, period. This is perfect. You don't have to worry about buttons. I literally slipped it over my head. Perfectly fine. I don't mind this one for some reason. And I don't know why. I mean, the fit is, you know, you have some room, but not overly baggy. You could do a French tuck, where you just take one side up. You could tuck it, you know, whatever you wanted to do. I don't think that this one's bad. I guess because you really can't see like detail and it's not a print. It's, you know, it's a solid. So this is not bad. You'll let me know. And then I'll be back and try the blouse on. The white blouse. All right. So I have the last blouse on Market and Spruce. This is white, medium, $45. Not, you know, horribly priced. One, the sleeves are too long, and this is a traditional blouse, like a men's style blouse, and you could tell this has never been unbuttoned. I could barely get this one button unbuttoned. This is just, I mean, it would be cute, one, if the sleeves weren't too long. So this would have to be a petite, because it would bring the sleeves up. To put on, you know, with denim, yeah, it would be cute. I'm going to wear a long sleeve blouse. I doubt it. I would have to tuck this. It's way... you know, way too long. It's not my style, with shorts especially. If it fit properly, maybe, but I kind of doubt it. I'm not necessarily a blouse, this style blouse person. So I think that's everything, right? Did I try everything on? I think I did. So let me put my own top back on, and I'll be right back with you. All right, my final thoughts. I still do have Sarah Beth, the same stylist, and she's like, happy 100th fix to you. I just, I don't know about this box. Cute stuff, just maybe not for me. So let's go box. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items in this box. Usually there were 5. I like that they're allowing more to come. So stylist pick subtotal $363, 5 or more. I'd save 25%. I'd save $90.75. My style credit of $20. If I kept everything, it would be $250, $225. I'm not going to keep everything, but I want to wait. I extended this. I'm trying to think maybe an extra week and a half, because I'm really curious of what you guys have to say. I do like the linen pants. I just don't know about the color, honestly. If I'm, that's being, let me put this down here. So I'm not sure about the color. They are comfy. This would be nice for the summer. Love the red tee. Most affordable thing in the box. I think I'm going to keep that. Not a fan. Cute, but not a fan of the cardigan. I like this black seersucker blouse, but I want to hear your thoughts. I really like the skirt, but I want to hear your thoughts again. Big fat no to that. That's for sure. And the shoes, I'm not sure of. My heel does not come out the back. They have like the cushion sole. They're really cute. Here's the sole, rubber sole. I don't think I gave you the price. Yeah, I did give you the price for them when I tried them on. Toms are expensive. They're $60, but I would have them for years to come. But I think they're really cute. I don't know if they would go better with denim, honestly. But there is, let me just show you so you can see some better. This I thought was black, but it's like a dark teal. There's some red, orange, light teal, like a turquoise in there. So that would give you some options to wear, with, if you wanted to match like a top to bring things together. But they are cute and they are comfortable. So I'm not sure about them. So there's a few I'm not sures that I'm going to wait for you guys. The skirt I really like a lot. It's comfortable, fit perfectly. I just would have to think of, how many times am I going to wear it? I am a true denim short girly, but there's shorts underneath. And that's why I pretty much stayed away from denim skirts. Just because you sit down, you have to be super careful. But with the I would still be ladylike and careful. But with the shorts underneath, that gives you that added security that I like. And I could wear it with the red t-shirt. Black you can wear with anything. I have plenty of, I love black and olive together. I know it's a dark look, but I have plenty. I have pretty pink t-shirts and turquoise and you name it that would, like I said, black and blue, all that stuff goes. But I like that. There's a few, and the linen pants, I'm not sure. They are comfy. So let me know your thoughts. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. And I'll see you all in my next one. Bye for now.